Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and online. Now make the device pull contacts from Google. Open Settings, tap Accounts, choose your Google account, and check that Contacts Sync is enabled. You do this so the server copy merges with the phone copy. Once enabled, automatic sync will run. If Contacts is off, toggle it on, then use the three-dot menu to sync now. This initiates transfer immediately and avoids waiting for periodic background sync. Next, open the Contacts app and make sure the view filters show your Google account. If you previously stored contacts on the SIM or device, use Import right arrow, choose Source right arrow, select your Google account as destination, so contacts are uploaded to the cloud. Also, ensure the Contacts app has permission to read storage and contacts, otherwise import fails. Once imported, duplicates may appear. Make sure to merge duplicates from the app menu to keep a clean list synced to Google. Finally, verify the sync by visiting Contacts. Google.com on a browser or checking another synced device, make sure the same names appear. If some contacts are missing, force a sync now from Settings right arrow, Accounts right arrow, Google right arrow, Sync, or remove and re-add the Google account to reset sync tokens. One key troubleshooting tip: if contacts still fail to show, clear the Contacts app cache and storage, then resync. This often resolves corrupt local data that blocks updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.